Assalamualaikum and good evening to our Dr. Muhammad Askari. Today we will present our project assignment for machinery for crop harvesting. Our group member is KHUZAIRIE bin DIRI, Muhammad HAFIZ IZZUDDIN bin BURHAN, Syafawatie Husna binti Abdul Halim, NURHIDAYAT bin HAMZAH, IKMAL HISYAM bin SAHAR, and NORHUSNINA binti TAHUDIN. This is our topic of our presentation. First is company structure. Second, introduction. We have objective, method, discussion, conclusion, and literature side. First is our company structure. As you can see, me, Syafawatie, as a CEO. Our operation manager is NURHIDAYAT. Our technical supervisor is HAFIZ IZZUDDIN. NORHUSNINA as a finance officer, IKMAL HISYAM as a marketing officer, and KHUZAIRIE as a safety officer. Our name company is SWIFTYIELD Machinery. This is the task of the company structure. First is CEO. The task of CEO is overall leader of the company, make major decisions and oversee all departments, ensure the company goals are met. Second is operation manager. The task is in charge of daily mechanization activities and plan monitoring use of farm machine and schedule. Third is technical supervisor. And the tasks are handles machinery repair and maintenance, ensure all machines are in good condition, and train staff on equipment usage and safety. Four is finance officer. The task is manage budget and cost tracking and equipment investment, keep records of expenses and income, and prepare financial reports. Five is marketing officer. They promote company service to farmer or client, handle customer feedback and service bookings, and build relationship with potential partners of supplier. Lastly, as safety officer, the task is ensure all operation follow safety standard and make sure the company follow agricultural regulation. Next is introduction.
So before start to the main section, I will give the introduction. The agriculture sector remains a cornerstone of food security and economic development in many countries. As global population increase and labor availability in rural areas decrease, the demand for efficient and time-saving agriculture practice has intensified. So the importance of mechanization in crop harvesting lies not only in enhancing operational efficiency, but also in ensuring that harvesting is carried out the optimal time to preserve crop quality. Delay or inefficient harvesting can lead to significant yield loss for farmers. In contrast, the use of appropriate harvesting machinery helps streamline operations, reduces dependence on seasonal labor, and supports large-scale production systems. So, in this project, our group will operate as a simulated farm mechanization company, providing technical insight, recommendation on suitable machinery for crop harvesting. We also will explore three key types of harvesting machines that our company will specialize in, detailing their construction, operation principle, efficiency, and maintenance need. So by doing that, we aim to highlight how targeted mechanization strategies can support sustainable agriculture and enhance the livelihoods of farming communities. Other than that, this assignment is vital as it bridges theoretical understanding with real-world application, encouraging future agricultural engineers to think critically about equipment selection, economic feasibility, and lastly, the integration of appropriate technologies tailored to the local needs. That's all for the introduction.
Next is the objective. We have two objectives of this assignment. First is to learn the need and advantage of using machine for harvesting different crops. Second is to examine the different types of crop harvesting machine and understand their component, working principle, and operation.
Okay, this is our method to develop a comprehensive understanding. A systematic search was conducted across multiple platforms, including academic and industry-specific database in crop harvesting, journal paper, book, reports, and other materials from academic database, and the FAO were examined. The research focused on construction specification, working principle, operation, maintenance, and cost reduction modification for crop harvesting. That's all for me.
Next, I will explain. For the discussion, I will just two machinery. First one is a sugarcane harvester, and then for the harvester. A sugarcane harvester is a specialized agriculture machine designed to efficiently harvest the factory process sugarcane. It operates by cutting the stalk at the base, stripping the leaf, and cupping the cane into billets to easier transport and processing. And then there is the farm power such as human power, animal power, and mechanical power. For the contribution is harvesting efficiency. I choose Sulsak harvester, minimizes scan, loss and maintenance fiber, integrity, making it suitable for certain processing method. And then for the water nutrient transport, the vascular bundles within the stack facilitate the movement of water and nutrients from the roots to the leaf. And then there is the operations and maintenance. For the speed, 2 km per hour to 5 km per hour. And then base used for sugar mills requiring intake, start to the beta juice extract, and processing quality. And then there is the maintenance. For the cost reduction modification, the best optimized is use harder than steel or shaping blades to reduce frequent replacement. And then for the fuel management is implement variable speed control to optimize fuel use during different field conditions. Okay, next for the forage harvester. A forage harvester is a machine designed to cut, crop, and collect weight to other forage crop for silage production. And this is very efficiently to process the entire plant. Forage harvester ni can be self-propelled and tractor mount depends on the farm size and operational needs. And then there is the farm power, such as human power, animal power, and mechanical power. Okay, for the contribution, variable speed control is adjust cutting speed based on the crop moisture level to optimize forage quality. Next, power transmission, The engine distribute power to the cutting unit, ensuring smooth operation. And then last, precision cutting. Advanced model use sensor to maintain consistent cutting height and reduce waste. And then there is the operation and maintenance. Okay, for the cost reduction modification, fuel efficiency adjustment, implementing variable speed control, and optimize engine, setting lower fuel consumption. And for the regular maintenance protocol, preventive the maintenance, reduce downtime and costly repair, optimize bed design, use self-shapering or cut blades, reduce with the extend lifespan, like minimizing replacement costs. And then this is the construction specification and working principle. Okay, that's all.
Okay, next, the oat harvester. Oat are typically harvested by direct heating when the crop is ripe, as it minimizes grain shedding and is the most cost-effective method if grain moisture is below 12%. However, high humidity can delay harvesting, increasing the risk of grain loss of discoloration from early summer rains. For the pump power is human power, animal power, and mechanical power. For the contribution, efficient and clean cutting, the header cuts out stalk quickly and evenly, ensuring a more thorough harvest and reducing seed left behind in the field. Speeding up the harvesting process, the header cut and transport the crop continuously, allowing the harvesting process to be done in a shorter time compared to manual harvesting. Reduce dependence on labor. Mechanization with header reduce the need for human labor in harvesting operation, which save costs and reduce physical workload. For the operation is field efficient, speed 4 until 6 mph, best used for efficient cutting and threshing to preserve grain quality. The maintenance is for daily, periodic maintenance, and seasonal maintenance. For the cost reduction modification, energy efficient drive system upgrade to low power, high efficient electric or mechanical drive to cut fuel or electricity consumption during extended operation. Optimize cutting blade using the resistant material, extend blade life and reduce replacement cost. Next, energy efficient motor, upgrading to low power, high efficient motor, reduce fuel or electricity consumption. Lastly, modular component design, adopt a modular system for parts like drills, auger, and knife drive to simplify maintenance and allow cost-effective part replacement instead of full assembly webs. For construction specification, material height, cutting width, power source, width, and weight. For working principle, cutting the crop, the cutter bar at the front of the header uses reciprocating blade to gut standing outstock close to the ground. The machine move forward, feeding the crop, a rail rotate to guide and push to cut out onto the platform, ensuring smooth feeding and preventing tangling and bunching. Lastly, head adjustment. The header can be adjusted vertically, manual or hydraulic to maintain an optimal cutting head, adapting to field condition and outplan height. That's all for me.
Okay, to our conclusion. In conclusion, harvesting is one of the most important and time-sensitive part of farming. Think a few people are available to work in rural areas and the need for food is growing. Using machine was a become necessity. In this project, our team acted like a farm mechanization company to learn how different harvesting machine work, how efficient they are, and how maintain them. By looking at three main types of harvester, we saw how the right machine can help farmer harvest on time, reduce crop loss, and improve product quality. Mechanization not only increase productivity but also support sustainable farming and help farmer face modern challenge. This assignment help us connect our classroom learning with real life farming and show us how technology can support the improved agriculture community.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.